In a small village, Tom was known for his loud sneezes. One day he sneezed so loudly that windows rattled and chickens stopped laying eggs. "Bless you!" shouted his neighbor, Sarah, from across the street. Meanwhile, in a distant city, people were puzzled by a mysterious sound. "Did you hear that?" asked a man in a cafe. "Sounded like thunder." Back in the village, Tom chuckled. "Guess my sneeze made headlines." Turns out Tom's sneeze was so powerful, it was mistaken for the infamous Krakatoa eruption. "Next time, I'll cover my mouth," he joked.